Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Namo Mahabhadanaya Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namine Gaurati Sri Namaha. Srila Rupa Goswami, when he met Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu at Prayag, there is a place, holy place in India, which is called Prayag. So Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, after accepting his renounced order of sannyas, he went to Prayag and other holy places. So, Srila Rupa Goswami, he was minister of the government, but he gave up everything and joined this Hare Krishna movement with Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So when he first met, and he offered this verse, Namo Mahavadannaya. Vadanna means the most magnanimous. There are many incarnations of God. But Rupa Goswami said, now this incarnation of God, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, is most magnanimous. Namo Mahavadannaya. Why magnanimous? Krishna Prema Pradayate. You are delivering Krishna immediately by your this Sankirtan movement. To understand Krishna is very difficult job. Krishna has personally said in the Bhagavad-gita, Manusyanam sahasresu Costringe jatati siddhaya. Out of many, many millions of persons, not only at this age, in the past also, Manusyanam sahasresu, out of many millions of persons, Costringe jatati siddhaya, one is trying to become perfect. Generally, they have no knowledge what is perfection. Perfection they do not know. The perfection means to stop this process of birth, death, old age and disease. That is called perfection. Everyone is trying to be perfect, but they do not know what is perfection. Perfection means this, that when you are free from these four imperfections, what is that? Birth, death, old age and disease. Everyone, nobody wants to die, but there is forcefully, you must die. That is imperfect. But these rascals, they do not know. They think that we must die. But no, because you are eternal. You are not meant for death. But nature is forcing him, must die. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,